Hello and welcome back to Candid with Cancer and Thomas Ashley, that's me. Today I'm, surprise surprise, it's where this channel is going at the moment, it's what I'm enjoying at the moment. I'm taking you to the gym again and I am doing another legs day. Don't know if it's going to be as big as long leg day. I'm back with Ali, but Ali has to get back to Oxford today. So it might be another one, a bit like the chest day I showed you yesterday, chest day, a bit like the shoulder day I showed you yesterday. Might be a little bit of a quicker one, smaller one, but we'll make sure we get it all in and I'll show you. There might be a few new exercises in there I didn't do last time. I'll try and change it up a bit, but I'm not a big fan of necessarily changing my routine too much. I quite like to stick to what I do to progress and see what I do. But each week I don't mind changing it up. Sometimes I do more reps, lower weight, less reps, higher weight. So a few more exercises that target the same areas that I enjoy, that just make it change up. So it's not mundane, it changes it up, keeps it busy, keeps me wanting to go back to the gym, keeps me wanting to stay fit, keeps me disciplined to make sure I go there, go do it. But it's always good to change it up, to have variation, and that's what I enjoy. So join me today as I go and do a legs day. Might be going on a cycle, run later, depends how my legs feel, because, cool. It might not be accessible. Maybe a cycle, a little bit less demanding on the legs, but can keep me good hour and a half of cycling. If the weather stays how it is today, could be quite nice. Maybe take you some you haven't seen before, maybe show you a few bits, maybe do some more singing because I'm good at singing. Said no one ever. That might have to be edited out. Depends if this is in it. Fair enough. I'm embarrassing myself, but hey, that's part of the process. I'm getting better at it, I'm enjoying it, and I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're taking what you need to take from it. If there's anything that's inspired you to go do what you do, fair enough. If it hasn't, it hasn't. If you're just enjoying it, or if you haven't watched it and this is your first video watching, hey, welcome. So join me then as I go and do my legs day. See you guys all in a minute. See ya. that's the gym done. That was a leg day and just one bicep exercise. Unfortunately, I have a reoccurring back problem. I say that, I hurt my back a month ago or so, and I've taken it back, especially when doing squats and just been isolating different things so it doesn't hurt it. So doing squats a day, and just thought I could push it a little bit more up to 80 kg, which I can do up to 100 kg, but I haven't done it for a while, so just thought I could push it up to 80, but just went straight away. So I've actually hurt my lower back again, which is annoying, and so it sort of hampered the session a little bit, so the session wasn't as good, I could say, or as much as I wanted to. I'm a little bit tired, same as Ali. Is a little bit tired. But now heading off to go get some food at the airport cafe, we call it the airfield, Wellsbourne Airfield, just around the corner. So I'll take you to that and I'll show you guys what goes on there. As you just saw, just finished at the gym, a little bit of antro, I'll hurt my back, blah blah blah, all that rubbish. But now I am at the airfield cafe in Wellsbourne, and actually, as you can see behind me, I don't know if you can see, let me show you, got all the planes, that one. Small fact about me is I actually got my private pilot's license. I can fly, not one of these planes here, well, I got a license that I can do, but I do have my pilot's license. And I fly down there at Southwatch Flying School. You can't see it, but I'm going to set this up anyway and see if you guys can see a time lapse of all the planes coming in, if there's many. It doesn't seem too busy today, but there's a lot going on. That's a cool fact about me. So we're going to eat some food here, and I'll probably call it a day, to be honest. It's not too late, but that's everything. But no, enjoy guys, hope you enjoy here. Maybe one day I can take you up on the plane with me. Maybe that's a cool, something we can do as a video, show you that I can fly, that I can do certain things. But hey ho, enjoy. See you guys all in a bit.